Hello everybody! In this video I'm going to show you how to make this really cool origami ninja star. And it's got a 4-bladed propeller centered in it. And this is folded from one piece of paper. No cutting, taping, or gluing. And I'm going to teach you all how to fold it right now. Alright, let's get started. So for this model I'm going to teach you how to fold it from just an ordinary sheet of kami paper. This is 6 by 6 inches, but any paper would work. Just make sure it's square. And it's dual colored like this. Okay, so I'm going to make a blue ninja star with a white propeller. So we're going to begin with the white side facing up, and we're going to fold in half. I just came back from work, so I'm a little bit tired, but not too tired to make a video. Okay, unfold, and now we're going to fold both sides to the center. Okay, now rotate so the creases are vertical, and we're going to do the same process in this direction. So, in half, and to the crease. Remember, you can always pause the video if I'm going too fast. Okay, now unfold. Now we're going to turn over like this, and we're going to take this raw corner and fold it to the first intersection right there. And we're going to do that 3 more times. So to the first intersection point. Okay, now we're going to turn over on this side. Oh, and actually, believe it or not, this model starts out with that same base when I taught the origami table in this video. So it starts out with that same base. Okay, so anyways, now we're going to take this edge, this raw edge, and we're going to fold it to this crease. And keep that folded, and we're going to do the same thing 3 more times, so to the nearest crease. Okay, now we're going to turn over, and we're going to fold the 4 corners to the center. This is called blincing. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to I'm going to zoom in so you can see this. There we go, that's good. We're going to take this corner, and we're going to fold it to there. Hold on. Okay, yeah. So fold to the white. And you can unfold. And we're going to do the same thing 3 more times. So here, here, and here. So just fold up to the white. And the fold we're making should align with that raw edge below. A raw edge, in case you don't know, it's an edge that you can get a paper cut on. See? So that's a raw edge right there. This is not a raw edge because it's not the same as that. This is called a folded edge right here. So the raw edges are only the ones that you get paper cuts on, like this. Just in case you don't know. Alright, and now we're going to do is we're going to, this is kind of a tricky fold, not too bad though. What we're going to do is we're going to fold this up and we're folding it along this edge, and that's the raw edge right there, because that's the edge you can get a paper cut on. So we're folding along the raw edge, and this edge should meet that crease. And as we fold this up, it's not going to lie flat just yet, but we're going to make it lie flat by squashing the paper down like this. And we're making a new fold right there. Alright, and then use the table and crease everything sharply. Alright, and we're going to do the same thing 3 more times. These pencils drive me nuts. Okay, so fold along the raw edge, or in other words, just take this edge and fold it to that crease. And then squash right here. Like that. And again, I'm going to do these at my own pace without talking. Okay. Now, take this, we're going to open this up right here, see how it makes a pocket? We're going to stick that underneath. Just like, oh wait, no, sorry. My bad. Don't do that. Actually, what I meant was pull them out like this. I just designed this model yesterday, so it's still pretty new. Okay, now we're going to turn over, and we're going to take this edge, we're actually going to take all 4 of these edges and fold them to the center crease. Or depending on the way the paper is right there, this edge might not go directly to the center, see? It's just where it stops right there. But, you know, it gets pretty close. So I'll just say fold to the center. Or, you know, just fold it up as far as it goes. Alright. And rotate like this, and we're going to do the same thing. So just fold it up as far as it goes. And then again. And this one, this is the tricky move here. So we're going to open this pocket here, put your finger all the way inside, and we're going to take this interior edge, well, that interior edge right there, and we're folding this in like this, and we're just shoving that paper inside until it looks like that inside. So until it gets clean. There, that was a tricky move. Hope we were able to do that. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Okay, now take this raw corner. See, this is the edge where you can get a paper cut on. That's a raw corner right there, where the 2 raw edges come together. And fold them to here. Alright. And you can keep that folded actually. And same 3 more times. Just fold the raw corner up. Oh, and this model is actually pretty cool. Hold on. See, this is like an Origami X or something, or a boomerang, I don't know. And it's got the color changing points, so you can color change the points like this. So they're white, and when you fold them up like this, now they're blue. So yeah, that's pretty cool. It's a color changing X or whatever it is. Okay, but I imagine you guys want to make the Ninja Star. So here's how to do that. So turn over on this side and take this edge, or actually just take this and fold it up like this. And then now stick it into the pocket. Like that. And same thing 3 more times. So fold it up as far as it goes. And then now open the pocket and tuck it in there. And then again. And one last time. Alright. So here we have a Ninja Star. And you could end here if you want, if you just want to keep it like this. But it'll obviously look a lot cooler if you put the propeller in there. I think it looks a lot cooler that way. So to do that, just take this flap and we're folding in between the midpoint and the corner of the ninja star. Or it's okay if it gets close to the corner at least. It doesn't need to be perfect. It won't be completely clean there because of how the paper is, but it's fine. I'll just say fold in between the 2 points. Alright, and do the same thing 3 more times. It's in between the middle and the corner. Okay, and again. And last time. Alright, and guess what? We are done. There it is. So yeah, it's not too hard to make. So yeah, it's a really cool ninja star. I don't think it's gonna fly though because it's got these flaps sticking up. I don't think it's meant to fly. Maybe it could be a flying flicker. Hold it like this and fly. Let me give it a shot real quick. Oh yeah, it actually does fly pretty good. So yeah, there it is. I guess it could fly a little bit, but I don't think it'll fly the best because it's got the flaps sticking up. But yeah, it's a cool looking ninja star. It's not too hard to make. And yeah, here's the one I posted on my community tab the other day. This is from Black Commie, and it looks really nice. So yeah, there it is. Alright, well, hope you guys were able to follow this video and enjoyed making this Origami Ninja Star, and were able to make it. And make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye-bye.